Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free Tinder Gold in 2026. This actually uses a Tinder promo code that you can redeem in the website, and it is going to upgrade your existing account to Tinder Gold, and it is completely free. And the gold price is really expensive, guys, and it gives you tons of features such as seeing who likes you, unlimited swipes, and more, guys. You can even go in passport mode and move all over the world. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Tinder Gold right now, and it only takes a few minutes. Now, before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because that would really help my channel out. But anyway, yeah, you can see the features of Tinder Gold there. And yeah, you get a boost as well. So what you need to do is use your mobile phone. Just recommend using the mobile that you have Tinder on. And to get your Tinder Gold promo code, you got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's just go ahead, type it in exactly like this. And Crash Coupons is a codes website. Now, as you can see, they actually have loads of pages of game codes, but they do have a page. So I do recommend just using the search bar, and in there just typing in Tinder, and it should bring up this page here, guys. Once you tap on it, this is the Tinder promo code page. You can see there is one verified working coupon, and loads of people are using this. So scroll down, you can get 1 month free Tinder Gold. Now, it is only a month, but when it runs out, you can come back and do it again. Hopefully a month will be enough, consider it is unlimited likes. So yeah, you can get the 1 month code. It takes about 5 minutes to do this, but it is well worth it. Obviously, it is like, I think it's about 20 Great British pounds now, or around 25 US dollars for a month of Tinder Gold. So you do need to unlock your code. That's basically to stop people getting more than one of these limited promo codes. So to get yours, you've got to tap on this button and just follow the instructions on the next screen. Basically, guys, I did this earlier. It took me about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, these basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can give us these Tinder Gold codes. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions and fully complete 2 of the tasks on this screen here. They're all completely free, and they only take a few minutes each. So once you do those, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Tinder Gold promo code will be revealed, and you redeem it in the website. I'll show you where you redeem it, and that is going to get you 1 month free Tinder Gold, and that works in 2026. So once you get your code, guys, let's just type in Tinder redeem code, and yeah, you enter it into the website here. You can see, tap the profile icon, scroll down, tap promo code, and enter your promo code and press submit. So that is going to get you your Tinder Gold. So hope you enjoyed. Pretty easy. Just go to Crash Coupons, guys, and navigate your way using the search bar to the Tinder promo code page, and that is how to get free Tinder Gold in 2026. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.